Then there are these three terms: computer literacy, information literacy, and business intelligence. So, you all are by this time computer literate because you have learned this skill of working with word processors. And when we say word processor, we mean MS Word. MS Word means Microsoft Word. This is one of the applications included in Microsoft Office package. Spreadsheets are Microsoft Excel is an example of spreadsheet. Database systems, which is Microsoft Access, if you have heard that name before. And then presentation software is PowerPoint. So when you have the basic knowledge of these things along with the basic knowledge of hardware, what computer is, and software like Windows, and you know how to log into internet and use internet, so then you are computer literate. So the whole purpose is that every supervisor and every manager should be computer literate. That is our basic starting point. It is not the end point, it is the first objective. Then second thing is information literacy and business intelligence. So information literacy and business intelligence is about historical, current, and predictive views of the business. So business intelligence is of higher level thing, is a higher level thing. It tells us historical information about the business, how we have been doing in the past, and currently how we are doing presently, and predict what is likely to be our profitability and sales in future based on some predictive business models. So business intelligence is a kind of a little higher level objective which we should achieve while learning these information systems. So this is a broad essence that okay, we are learning management information system, we are getting computer literate, and then not only computer literacy we are gaining, we are also gaining information literacy and business intelligence.